Hi, Cal from BHP UK, and on the dyno today we're revisiting an old car that we've developed quite a long while ago. It is the F80 chassis BMW M4. They're available in the M4 or the M4 competition. They both actually run the same engine and the same ECU, and they both map up to about the same sort of power. So we've already strapped this up on the dyno. We're going to run it up, log the parameters that we need to log, and then write a bespoke file for this car. So that's the runs completed on the M4. We're just going to have a quick look and see what we've actually managed to achieve. So with this car as standard, we've been making 446 brake horsepower at the clutch. After the remap, we've managed to get a really good gain, and the car's now running 512 brake horsepower at the clutch. One thing I've got to say at this point, our dyno actually measures the transmission losses. It's not we don't lie, we don't make it up. This car actually loses 53 brake horsepower through the transmission. At the wheels, it's making 459 brake horsepower. So let's forget about all this nonsense that you add 20% on, you add 15% on. As a percentage, 53 brake horsepower of 512 is 10.3. Okay, so we get that out of the way and we'll see what we've actually got. So at the clutch, we're running 512 brake horsepower, but where this car really now produces its real performance is the torque. We've gone up from a maximum torque of 591 Newton meters to 710. This car is going to be absolutely phenomenal to drive. We've driven these before after they've had the remap, and they are an absolute beast on the road or the track, whichever you choose. We hope you enjoy what we're bringing to you on both the cars and the bikes. If there's anything that you would like, drop in the comment section below. We're all a bunch of petrol heads and we love to talk petrol. Drop in the comment section below and somebody will get back to you as soon as possible. If not, you're more than welcome to give us a call on 01282 779 000. If there's anything specific you want to know or talk about, please do drop us a subscribe and a like. It really does help us out, and we'll catch you in the next video.